got it?
Everybody wave bye.
Thank you.
Gold thing going over your head does for you.
Come on through.
Right this way, brother. You're gonna get dried off. You ready, Miss Phyllis? It's gonna come up. Woo! You look beautiful. Right around here. This is our air tire pressure or blood pressure check for our car wash. There we go. Nice. This is our gas refuel station. She's getting her gas refueled right here with the lemonade. Enjoy. Especially made from dining. Just give two. Yep, there you go. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you, honey.
I love it.
Hey y'all. Have fun, Mr. Goggins. Bye.